And welcome to my first tutorial. I'm Josh at ihateonions.uk. Today we'll be looking at how to install SASS and SASS Build on Sublime Text 3. Before we start, you will need to have package control installed, which you can download from packagecontrol.io/installation. Once you have successfully installed package control, we can start to install the SASS packages. First, we'll launch package control using the key command Shift-Command-P if you're working on a Mac. We then search for install package. As you can see, package control install package. Let's click that. Now let's search for SASS. Quite a few packages will appear. The first one we're going to install is the SASS package. Now they do install very quickly, and if you were to look down here in the bottom left corner, you'll see a little type progress bar appear as we install that, and it's done. Quite often you will be given a readme file, often very useful. Will explain features and how to adjust preferences for each package that you install. This has now added a new option for the syntax within the bottom corner. In this example we'll be using SASS, so let's head down and we'll choose SASS over SCSS. So we choose SASS. You'll see our syntax is now correct. This is a basic file I've written to demonstrate the process. Now we have SASS and the correct syntax selected, let's install SASS Build. Again, head over to package control. So if you're on a Mac, Shift-Command-P, install package again, search for SASS and look for the SASS Build package. Once again, this will install the package very quickly. In this case, for this package, it doesn't come with a readme file. It's absolutely fine. You can now access this via the build system in Sublime. So you can navigate to Tools, Build Systems, and you can see a selected SASS for me. We also have SASS Compressed. Pretty self-explanatory. It will deliver a compressed minified CSS file for you. So now that we have the correct build system selected, the correct SASS syntax selected, we're going to go ahead and we're going to build our file. One thing I will mention is some people will encounter an error saying that no such file or directory SASS exists. This is often because SASS isn't installed on your machine locally, and you will need to go ahead and install that. You can do that by heading over to Terminal. First thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to check what version of Ruby we're running. If you're not running any version of Ruby, you will not see this response. You will see something else. You can then head over to YouTube or Google and search for how to install Ruby on the specific operating system you are using. If you do receive the message like I have here, then you can go ahead and you can install SASS by running the sudo command gem install and SASS. This will require your password, and run that. As you can see in my case, SASS is already installed. If you didn't have SASS previously installed, it will run for about 2 to 3 minutes. Sometimes it takes longer, sometimes a little quicker, until you get the successfully installed message at the end. Once SASS is installed on your local machine, we can now head over to Sublime and we can run our build process. Again, if you're on a Mac, you can use Command B. And you'll see that that's written out 2 files for us, our menu.css and our menu.css.map. As you can see here, we have our fully compiled CSS file built from our SASS file. And we're done. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and feel free to let me know of any further tutorials you want me to make via the comments section. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm Josh from ihateonions.uk.